Hi guys, welcome to Infinity Math Academy. Today we're going to learn about interval notation and graph set on the number line. For example, I already have a problem on the screen. I'm going to show you how to do this problem. First, there's a couple of things we need to know to do this problem. The inequality. One of the inequality do have an equal sign. The other one is either greater than or less than, or we have greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. For example, if you don't have an equal sign, meaning there's no line underneath it, it could be either greater than or less than. When you do that on the number line, we're going to use the open circle, and when you use that as the interval notation, we're going to use the parentheses for that. When you do the less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, you're going to use the closed circle, and for the interval notation we're going to use the bracket. So in this problem we have 1, we have x, then inequality sign, and we have a 5. If you look at those two numbers and see what kind of inequality sign we have in front of those numbers. For example, if you look at this inequality, we don't have a line underneath it, which means it's not equal to. So you're going to use the open circle for that. And for this inequality, we do have an equal sign, meaning we're going to use the closed circle. So let's go ahead and do those 2 points on the number line. And for the 5, I'm going to use the closed circle. So your x is in between those 2 numbers, so let's go ahead and connect those 2. That's your graph for the interval notation. The x is in between 1 and 5. So that's pretty much done for the first part. The second part, they're asking you to write the interval notation. In order to write the interval notation, we already went over this one. For the open parenthesis, for the open circle, meaning there's no line underneath it. So we're going to put a parenthesis for this one, 1, comma 5, and we're going to close with a bracket. So that's going to be for the interval notation for this inequality. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification for future updates. Thank you. See you in the next video.